Department of Justice reviewing the actions of Oakland Mayor Libby Schaaf for warning illegal immigrants about an ICE raid. Schaaf insisting she did nothing wrong.
I continue to feel confident that what I did was the right thing and it was legal. I did not give specific information that could have endangered law enforcement. I encourage people to not panic, but to know their rights.
So did she commit a crime? Here to debate, the president of District Media Group and fellow at the Heritage Foundation, Beverly Hallberg, and Democrat strategist Joel Payne. Good morning. Beverly, I want to start with you. Did she commit a crime or not?
Well, the Department of Justice said that they're going to be looking into it, so I think that there's enough there to wonder whether or not she did. And here's what I think is a dangerous trend is it's not just these local law officials or these elected officials that are trying to circumvent the law. We also have judges who are trying to not uphold the law. If you don't like the federal law, change the federal law. And I think this is extremely concerning. She said that she didn't put any ICE agents in danger, but I think anytime you alert people to somebody coming to their neighborhood, I think you are putting these agents in danger. So I think it's very reckless. I also think it's the wrong direction that elected officials should take if they want to keep their city safe.
Well, Mayor Schaaf gave a statement on why she did this. I'll just show this quickly before I get you to react, Joel. Mayor Schaaf says, I am sharing this information publicly not to panic our residents, but to protect them. I believe it is my duty and moral obligation as mayor to give those families fair warning. Joel, was she just trying to do the right thing morally?
Sure, I think she was, and I think she succeeded in doing that. You know, I heard Beverly talk about what's dangerous. What's really dangerous here is the environment that President Trump and his administration has created for immigrant communities all across the country. And you look at some of the stories here, I don't know how President Trump's ICE agents and his administration can sleep comfortably at night. I mean, you look at what happened in Virginia with Ellia Crawford, who is the wife of an Army Special Forces, retired Special Forces member of the Army, who actually is on the list to be deported next week and is not supposed to be deported, but because President Trump has upped these efforts, she's in danger. So there are a lot of stories like that people are concerned about.
Yeah, but Joel, Beverly, let me just ask you quickly, because ICE says that some upwards of 800 or maybe more of these targeted immigrants were committing crimes. You know, was this an effort that may have put society in Oakland, at least, at greater danger?
Yeah, and I'm from the Bay Area, and I am concerned about this. I love the city of Oakland, and let's take this to where the data is and what the details are. We are talking about individuals that had serious or violent crimes in their past. Their crime wasn't just coming to our country illegally. Their crime were things like weapons charges, even sadly sexual assault against minors. We are talking about people who have serious criminal offenses. We should be looking at them. And if you want to talk about what President Trump is doing, I actually think we have a president who is trying to put forward an honest discussion about immigration reform. He's talking about the Dreamers. He's talking about DACA. Let's focus on the conversation there. Let's not focus on putting ICE agents in dangers who are just trying to keep our communities safe.
We'll see what happens. The experts say it's very rare that this mayor could be charged with anything. But Joel, I want to give you the last word to weigh in on it.
Yeah, again, I think the environment here is something that we really have to take a look at. You look at the, the president likes to use the term fake news. There's a fake immigration crisis that the president and that the administration has created. You look at under President Obama, illegal immigration actually dropped. Cross the border deportations across the southern border went up. So we did have a tough, muscular deportation policy under President Obama. President Trump is wrong about there being an immigration crisis.
Well, Joel, we'll see. I'm not sure all the American people believe it's a fake immigration problem, but thank you, Joel, for getting up. Joel Payne for waking up with us, and Beverly Hallberg, thanks, guys, for joining us, and have a great rest of the weekend.
You too.
Thanks, guys.